How to pay DSTV with MTN mobile money right here in Ghana. Okay, I'm going to teach you a step by step how you can pay your DSTV subscription from the comfort of your home using MTN. Just simply dial *170# and then send it. So if you have other SIM, just select the MTN, and then when it comes, just like how you use the mobile service, just go through and then select the option 2, which is Momo Pay, and then pay bill. Okay, the option 2, select that one. So after selecting it, wait for the options to pop up, and then I want you to go through again and then select option 2, which is pay bill. Okay, simply select pay bill and then just send it. Select option 2 again and then send it. So when the options comes, as you can see, we have utilities, TV, and then entertainment. Just select option 2 and then send it. So when the options pop up, as you can see, under the TV and then entertainment, when you look through the options, we have several options that you can select. At the option 1, we have DSTV, and then we have the Go TV. Just select that one. Okay. So after selecting the option 1, you'll be asked to put in your smart card number. Okay, the IUC number. It is a 10-digit number. Just put it right here. Okay, I'm just using any number for this tutorial. Then you send it. After you send it, the next thing that you are going to do is simple. All I have to do is to just enter the amount that you are buying. I'm just going to use any figure. So let's say I'm buying 100 cedis. Okay, after you enter the 100 cedis, the next thing that you have to do is to confirm it. Okay, so after confirming it, that is all. So thank you for watching this video. I just want you to like it, and then see you in my next video.